Hi, I will show you how to animate changing lights in Blender.
Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you.
For example, I will use this monkey object with floor on it. I also prepare the lights and I will choose sun. Let's see through the camera view. Now go to shader editor to edit the lights and make sure you check on the use nodes. And here you go to Shift A and search for color ramp and then connect it. And then search again Shift A for map range, also connect it. Now I will choose some color sequence. Okay, now the map range we will be focusing on to max here. If you type 0, it means it will turn the color on the left, which is red. But if you type 1, it will turn into the color for the right, which is blue. And every number in between 0 to 1, the color will be something from the left side to the right side. Prepare the timeline. I will make it from 1 to 100. And then on the first frame, I will insert 0 from the max. And then go right click and insert frame. And on the 100 frame, I will insert 1 on the max. Type 1 first and then right click, insert keyframe. And this is the final result.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon